that Delaware load that you last seen me with, I've delivered that load. Now this load I picked up, I guess it's at Tropicana. It is in Cincinnati. It was not far from literally where I dropped off at. Man. So anyways, this load I have here is delivered to Wisconsin. Yay. Yes, I could have declined it, but it is what it is. It's a short run. Delivers early in the morning. All I want is a weekend load that covers the whole weekend after I deliver this tomorrow. But yeah, so I guess we'll talk about the winter storm that's coming. Yeah, we got a winter storm coming. It's been all over the news. Environment's been sending us messages left and right. Yeah, it's a given. And where I'm going, it seems like I'm going to be damn near in the heart of it. The whole Midwest area is damn near the heart of it, where it's happening. Oh my goodness. I already seen the weather pretty much for tonight, if I'm not mistaken. I think I've seen it's going to be like, I know it's going to be the negative. I think I've seen -4, -5. I've never dealt with negative weather yet. First time for everything, right? I got some anti-gel that I put into my tanks. When I get to my fuel stop, I gotta remember to put some in my reefer. So that means that way my fuel don't get all frozen and whatnot. So it's the first time I'm actually doing that type of stuff. It's kind of crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. This video, I might make it a lengthy video. I might make it pretty long, so I might record some right here on my way. I'm gonna stop at a Loves to shower, freshen up. It's like 3 hours away right now, so just so I can get some knowledge down. At least I'll be halfway to my destination already. So this works out fine for me. And yeah, I might make this a pretty long video. I don't know yet, but I wanted to add some additional clips, just my experience through the winter storm, pretty much. Is what I'm trying to do. So it may not just be a one-day thing like I usually be doing, just have it on the dash, or not the dash, have my camera on the window and talk. So this might be a little different. I'm saying I'm gonna put a little effort into this video. I'm not gonna lie, I don't put that much effort into the other videos. I know that. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna see the experience through the winter storm. Right now it's raining, but it's rain for now because it's just gonna turn into snow by tonight or early morning. And then I gotta find out where I'm gonna stop in Wisconsin. Because I'm delivering to a Kroger's, and I already know they don't have overnight parking. And those are Kroger's is one of those receivers where they don't play about their appointment time, so you can only come like maybe an hour before your appointment. Just like Walmart, just like Kroger, Walmart, and what else is like that? What is other shippers just like that? Shippers and receivers is like that too. I just can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Am I nervous? Yeah. Pretty nervous. I can admit that. But I don't know. I'm still a little up for the challenge though. This load is heavy. I would have a heavy storm around a winter storm. Did I say heavy storm? My bad. I just caught on to what I said. I would have a heavy load going into a winter storm. Like, to me, that's a terrible combination. Lord have mercy. This load's like 42,000 pounds. I'm like, once I see Tropicana, I already knew it was going to be heavy. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Okay, I do want to ask my fleet manager to give me a long load after this, going to anywhere. I'll go to the south, I'll go to Cali, I'll go time on winter. But I want this to go to payroll first. Yeah, I just want a long haul load after this because tomorrow's Friday. Probably get a load like Friday and it delivers Tuesday or Wednesday morning. That's perfect. I cover the rest of the revenue for the week and whatnot. But then again, I don't want to ask too much because I already asked if you can route me towards Tennessee for Tennessee for New Year's. I was going to take a 34 there, visit a friend. So that's the only reason I don't want to ask. It might throw off the route a bit. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah. If you wonder how this is going to be the first time I'm experiencing a winter storm, by the way. My first winter, and then it's an entire storm coming. Literally, we're getting, I think, is today the first day of winter? Today's what, the 22nd? Yeah, isn't today the first day of winter, if I'm not mistaken? And we're getting an entire storm. It's like, yeah, welcome to winter. Well, thank you. Thank you, weather gods. Jesus Christ. This is where, this is around this time is when it snows. It's going to be snowing in pretty much every state where it's kind of unavoidable unless you're literally like, probably in Florida, that's it. Florida's the only state that I know that don't have snow routes. Like, cause when I see the signs, you know, it's a snow route or bridge made ice before road, you know, stuff like that. Those type of signs, you know, it threw me off at first. I was like, what the heck? Because it don't snow in Florida, so those signs don't exist. It's pretty crazy to me. Yeah, young Florida boy getting the first real winter. I guess after this, the super truckers would say you're almost a real trucker. You just got to learn how to drive stick shift. I get the stick shift. I wouldn't mind learning how to drive stick shift, but I don't see the point of it when everything is damn near going to autonomous pretty much. Even our cars are going autonomous. We barely need automatics. I just don't see the point of it. It's a nice little, I guess it's a nice knowledge to have, but it's not really a requirement. You get what I'm saying? Would I want to learn it? Sure, why not? Just for experience, just so I have additional knowledge. Do I care to know? Not that much. No offense to anybody that, you know, there's people that live and die by stick shift. So, no offense to you guys. Oh my goodness. What else was I thinking of? Man, I guess you guys can let me know your experience during the winter storm. Because this video won't be posted most likely until after. Yeah, so this video might not be posted until probably Saturday. I don't know why I'm saying this, but yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just Oh man. Anyways, so I'm gonna have more footage. I don't want this part of the clip being too long. I'm gonna have more footage, mainly during the winter storm. So I may record a little more once I get to my my rest. The love's where I'm gonna take my break. So I'll see you guys. See you guys there. At least you guys could skip through that whole thing. You know, me, I have to actually drive or whatever. Let me stop talking. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? At this part of the video, I didn't actually say anything, and I ended up having a phone call with my older brother. So I just decided I'll do a little voiceover you know, I guess like, so it's not that quiet or anything. So this is when I was in Illinois. There were snow flurry. Am I saying that right? Snow flurries. The snow flurry started as soon as I started entering Illinois. So basically, that winter storm was, just basically preparing itself. And man, it only got worse once I got into Wisconsin, which probably that might be in the next clip. But yeah, and as you can see, the line, it was so hard to see. Like, there were no lines on the ground, so the best way to drive was to just follow the tire marks that people already made. Well, most likely other truckers too. Man, but yeah, and just I really had to watch my speed a lot. I mean, I've driven in snow again during TNT, but this is the first time I'm doing it solo. Like, you really have to be careful with driving winter and stuff. And I think this highway was the I-94, if I'm not mistaken. I think I was on a 94, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and this highway already, there were a couple of accidents already. And this wasn't even the worst part of the storm. Or I don't even know if the storm started. I think it was just preparing itself at this point. So, man, the fact that there were so many accidents, a couple of accidents already while I was doing this drive. I don't know if I recorded any of it on here, but it was ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, and also this is I'm doing this voiceover a couple days after all of this, so it's a little hard for me to remember everything. But yeah, so because this is not pre-recorded. Well, the video is pre-recorded, but not this voiceover right now. But yeah, I do remember a couple of accidents. Yeah, and I believe I explained in this video that there was like a flatbed or semi crashed into the median, and I seen EMT trying to get him out. I don't think that guy survived, man. It was very tragic to see, man. And I'm like, Jesus, wow. It's always sad to see stuff like that, man, because poor guy's not going to be able to. Poor guy's family have to get a phone call that he's not going to make it home for the holidays and everything. And that's pretty tragic, man. Not gonna lie. But I seen a couple 4-wheelers too. Couple of 4-wheelers crashed into the median too. One specific vehicle I remember was a Camaro. Yeah, I think that Camaro was totaled. Jeez. And you gotta watch for ice and everything, man, when you driving, because some people still drive kind of normal. Like, I don't know what normal would presume as. Well, what the posted speed limit says. Like, if it says go 70, I don't think if you're going 70, during snow and ice, you're a brave soul. I'll give you that, I guess. Because I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, man. Because maybe it's because of my fear of sliding off of the road and everything. I do legitimately have that fear, so I do my best to just try to be as safe as possible. I'll drive like a granny if I have to. I don't really care. Anything to be safe, because my fear is sliding off of the road, man. Like, that is not fun, and I want to I want to be able to try to make it home to my family. I know some circumstances is kind of uncontrollable. I can understand that. I'm just, if I can minimize the accidents from happening and everything, or minimize myself from being in any type of predicament like that, I'm gonna do to my best. Because I think this whole time I'm barely doing 50. I think I'm barely doing 50. And the snow flurries just started. There's no way. Sorry. The snow flurries were just starting and everything too. And I don't think there was any salt on the ground. None of that. So, man, I know this is not going to be the last winter storm or, any type of heavy snow or whatnot. So, man, I'm just trying to be safe as possible. But yeah, this voiceover is me a couple days after this. This is because today right now is after Christmas, that Monday. So at least you guys know I survived. Especially because this video is going to be uploaded too. But one thing also, which won't be in this clip. I don't know if I'm going to make a separate video and explain all of that. But there were a lot of accidents. I'll just say that. I'll make a different video probably reminiscing on the winter storm. But just know there were a lot of accidents. A lot. Yeah. So right now I think I'm just gonna let the rest of this clip play, or just cut it short, get on to the next clip. Yeah, oh yeah, look at this four-wheeler, look at the four-wheeler. Oh my gosh. I think I remember that too. And I think I was yelling at that four-wheeler, man, because he freaking ticked me off. And then your wrong blinkers on, number one, still. And you legitimately just cut in front of me. Like, I'm already going and then I'm not trying to slam on my brakes so hard in the freaking snow and ice, man. Like, come on, bro. But look how fast he was going afterwards, man. Come on. Yeah, that's why you gotta keep your head on a swivel for real. Because some of these people, it's not even other semi. It's not even only four-wheelers. Sometimes it'll be other semis. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just I'll cut this clip pretty short. Let's go on to the next clip. All right, y'all. Just got off the exit to the truck stop, but I'm stopping at. I still didn't make up my mind if I'm gonna do the Loves.
Left toward Ryan Road West.
Because I see the Loves at the names, and that was quite tempting. Loves, I think that's it up there.
Turn at the first left onto West Ryan Road. Speed limit reduced ahead.
What is it there? Oh, they're literally right next to each other. Okay.
Turn at the first left onto West Ryan Road.
Okay. So yeah, man, I'm in Wisconsin right now. 40 miles from my destination at 90, but this was the last truck stop I could find before I deliver. So what I think I have to do, I have to see if they'll even be open, because my delivery is at 4 a.m. in the morning, right? But that's around the time the storm is hitting, so I'm trying to figure out, are they going to be open? Give me a second. Yeah, main roads, they don't even, they can't even plow the roads like that. The highway is first priority instantly. So you just see a straight white road. I see the loads right there. Okay. I checked Trucker Path. Love said there's some spots still available. Pilot, someone reported that there was many spots. But the Loves has 200 available spots. The Pilot has 150. So I'd say either way, I'm gonna be good, because if I go to the Loves and it's full, hey, I could just leave and go right, what, 0.2 miles to the Pilot, so I'm there. Man, this my first winter drive, guys. My first winter drive. I've already seen a couple accidents. Man, I don't even know if I'm gonna post it, but I seen one accident with a trucker, flatbedder. Man, that guy, I know he didn't survive. I seen his body slouched over while EMT was trying to get him out. I know he didn't survive, but rest in peace to that driver, man.
Turn into second left onto South 20th Street.
Man, I just wish everybody could be safe out here, man. I'm just trying to be as safe as possible too. Definitely take it as safe as possible. Here goes the Pilot to my right. Okay, Pilot's right here. Alright, right. So I can still go there as a choice. And Love's is right here to my left. Okay. Man. I think the ice is kind of melting from the defrosting finally. Looks like. Hurry up forward. Oh, excuse me, thank you. Thank you, kind four-wheeler. Man, I didn't think you were gonna do that, but hey, you didn't have to. You had the right of way. But either way, still appreciate it.
Destination is on the right.
Okay, yes.
Turn in reverse right.
Alright, let's see.
Turn in reverse right.
Oh my goodness.
Turn in reverse right onto South 20th Street.
Oh my goodness. Okay, there are spots. You know what? I'm not even gonna do these spots here. I see more spots there. Jesus! But this is the problem I'm gonna have, because I'm trying to find the most decent spot where I won't get snowed in so much. That's what it looks like. That's what the problem is like for me right now. And I don't know what spot that is, man. I'm still a rookie in this. And I've seen videos of truckers being snowed in. They can't, I've seen truckers being snowed in for like days and stuff. Like, bro. What the? Oh, these are spots? Oh. Bro, I can't even see the lines. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I did not know these were spots. Oh crap, how am I gonna do this? I did not know these were spots, yo. This is... Yo, the lines are freaking all covered. I can't even see the lines. I didn't even know this was a space I could work in. Okay, hold on. Let me see how I can do this. Oh my goodness. The snow flurries hit my eyes. Ah! Come on. Oh my goodness. Pull up here. Sorry, sir, flatbedder. I can't see the lines, so I don't. Damn it. First time parking in this type of weather. All thing I can do is try to match the back of these trailers. That's the other direction. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Or at least match the front truck in front of me. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna match the truck in front of me. Okay, right here. All I gotta do is pull up a little bit, not even a lot. A little bit. Should be good. Alright. So I'm matching up the truck that's behind me. So hopefully I am good. Or at least the truck, because I'm not that close to the truck beside me. Yeah, do the space. Oh my goodness. That's how I know the snow's getting worse, because look how the flurries just increased. I bet I'm not straight. Well, the truck, I bet the truck's not straight. The trucks. Sorry, sir, I'm just sure I don't know if I'm straight. Damn, I can't tell for the life of me if I'm covered. Oh, I'm trying not to overthink this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to overthink it. It's just, I'm not a perfectionist, but with this type of stuff, I maybe am, but you know what? Hey, this is the best I'm gonna be able to do. Let's stop overthinking it. I'm able to park. I'm not blocking nobody. I'm not parking. Excuse me, Jesus Christ. I'm not parking illegally. So I'll be fine. Just think that way, just think that way. You'll be big. That's the shape. All right. And I'm matched up to this truck here. All right. Woo! I gotta wipe these wipers right here. Oh my goodness. Conclude this video in a bit. Let me just get out the truck and handle this. Or should I just leave it there? I don't know at this point. I'm just trying to get this whole thing over with. Put my boots on. No more Crocs again. I got to finesse the Crocs a little bit more for stuff a bit longer, but not anymore. Sorry if you guys hear a bunch of the air vent. I had to blast the heater because the ice buildup was getting on the windshield pretty bad, and I didn't even know if it was going to get the ice off, but it kind of looked like it did eventually. So I'm only keeping the truck on for a bit so I can get back inside a warm truck. Get back inside some warmth. Damn it. Woo! Feet. Yeah, I need to buy some new boots. These are too small. I need size 13. These are size 12. Oh my goodness. face, please. Almost forgot. You know what? Turning off the truck. Sorry. I'm gonna conclude this video later. Okay. Done. There's no point of me brushing the windows off because. Oh crap! I forgot the. Whatever. I'm about to do that in a bit. Anyways, I'm pretty much done for today. So this winter storm is gonna hit. It's like 5 degrees here right now, but it's only gonna get worse. We could go. I think from what I've seen, it's gonna be damn near negative, close to negative 8, 9 degrees. Man, I was not looking forward to that, but at least in the morning, I guess I'm gonna get up like at midnight, drive over to 190, my receiver, and yeah, like 50 miles from there, so should be good. Should be good. Oh yeah, so I've seen. I was talking about the trucker that crashed into the wall on the highway, the median wall, I guess. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, flatbedder. Yeah, that man. Rest in peace to that driver. I know he didn't make it through that. I don't think I'll put that clip out there either. Yeah, I don't think I will. Yeah, I did record it a bit, but yeah, I don't think I'll put that out there. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. Hopefully, if Denny's is open in here, I'm gonna go in there, enjoy some hot, warm food before I get back in the truck and try to stay warm for the night. Hey, appreciate you guys as always. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Your boy MVP Master J signing out. Stay safe. Just stay safe. Peace.